Hey guys, Ryan A here again. So, this is the last stage of our website building. So, we already have our website as you can see at the top here. Visit san1delsu.co. I'm actually really excited about this. And I'm like a creative person and I love like designing things. So this is going to be fun. If you do not like my design or you have some critique, say Ryan, hey, you could do this, that, and that, right? So we are going to get to it right away. So let me small myself. Small is not a word, but it works. I'm small and I'm in the corner. And this is the dashboard, right? So anytime you start a website, I took you through the process of getting the name, getting the WordPress hosting through GoDaddy. You put that website in slash WP dash admin, and you can always get to the back end. This, I always just bookmark these bad boys so I don't ever forget where they are. Put that in Ryan A, right? So you can always just go to your bookmarks and bring up that bad boy so you don't get lost. So let me take you to what I use to build that car. So member login for is this my account? No, it's not. Nelson's account it is. Yes, right? So Divi, what is the price of Divi again? I can check that for you guys. Like I would put that below. Like it's not that expensive. It's pretty cheap, and it's the easiest way to do this thing. Wait, no, I'm not gonna do that. Elegant themes. I'm gonna search that for you now. Divi pricing. Divi downloads. Divi pricing table. Elegant theme. Oh, come on. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I'll put the price below. And yeah, like it's cheap. So don't get angry with me for not having that off the top of my head. I did this a long time ago. Well, Nelson and they did this a long time ago. And I basically just used their plugin, but it's cheap. So I'm going to use Divi, download that bad boy. So it's going to download this theme plugin. So you're going to see it loading here, right? I downloaded this like 5 times. Then open this bad boy. You go to appearance, you go to themes. So you are in the back end of your website. So remember from our last video, hey, Escapade says Switzerland, and I am wearing Swiss things actually. I love Switzerland. By the way, but yeah, so I am going to add a new theme. And any questions you have, like you can message me directly, comment below, and I would like just respond. Because this is easy, it's not anything complicated. Choose file, come on laptop. Let us do this. Okay, so yeah, just bear with me. You gonna look at this once and know exactly what to do. And then you can build websites for like life. And if you want to like do this, because this is something I actually really do enjoy. Right? I've done install this background. Yeah, I have done a couple websites. So you can check out like uh theclientcatchers.com. That's our website. I built that with DB. Malibu is built with MalibuNicaragua.com is built with DB. I would put links below to the examples so you can see what we could do with DB. All right, so then you can see here, guys, installing theme. It's install activate, right? So that will be the prime builder. Great, wonderful. New theme activated. Okay, great. So we did that, and then we can start to build our website, right? So I'm just showing you the process of getting you here, installing the plugin. We can visit the website. Uh, it's not going to look like anything, right? Um, and then actually editing it is going to be very easy. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to prepare another video for you guys explaining two things, right? So Divi is a theme builder, and these theme builders are usually updated like every couple months, right? The unfortunate thing is that when you update those actual plugins, that could affect your entire script for your website, and you can literally lose your website, right? Like you would not have that visual anymore because the update would have changed specific things. So what we're going to do is use a Divi child theme. And it is essentially what it says. It's just a child of Divi, right? Same plugin, same functionality, but it is just an extension of this plugin. So in the event that this plugin updates, as the child, you would not be affected. You have already grown as a man and gotten all the tendencies and practices of that father figure, Divi, and you could exist without the problems of the upbringing. Right? I hope that was straightforward enough, guys. So you see how easy that was? That was very easy. Like we're building websites in no time, right? So next video, explain Divi child theme, install that, and then get to actually building the website. Okay, guys. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Subscribe. Let me make myself big here. Ooh. Yeah, subscribe. Sub like oh, yeah, that's not the whole screen. Like subscribe to those places there. You like see my face. Right? Love you guys. Talk to you soon. I hope this is helpful. Bye.